X50 fully automatic high-speed circular saw machine. Precision cutting at maximum speed. Designed for high-volume metal fabrication. The X50 redefines bar and tube cutting efficiency. This fully automatic circular saw features a C-servo motors and precision ball screws for feed and indexing, ensuring exceptional cutting accuracy and repeatability. Powered by a 7.5 kilowatts main spindle motor and equipped with TCT carbide-tipped circular saw blades. It delivers significantly faster cutting speeds than conventional saws. The machine handles round bars from 10 to 50 millimeters and square tubes from 10 to 40 millimeters with ease. Built for reliability, the X50 includes hydraulic vertical and horizontal clamping, an automatic lubrication system, and a chip conveyor. Optional upgrades, like an oil mist collector, long part receiving device, and a third clamp, make it the ultimate solution for continuous unattended production. Boost your throughput while reducing scrap. The X50 is your partner for high-performance metal sawing.